Bosx1ne is a Filipino rapper, songwriter and occasional actor known for founding the hip-hop collective Ex Battalion in 2012. The group is famed for such songs as Need You, No Games and Hayaan Sila. Mark Maglasang is his real name. He has been married to his long-term girlfriend Erica Tolosa Maglasang since September 2013. They have a little child named Ethan. An interesting fact is that Bosx1ne was born under a horoscope sign of Gemini. They are known for numerous prominent nationwide hits such as Hayaan Mosaila and No Games, the only trap tracks that charted the top 10 of the new defunct Billboard PA's Top 20. He enjoys in his job and continues to try the best he can. That is the reason why most people know Bosx1ne as a famous rapper with an impressive fan base. Their support helped him achieve some of his long-term career goals. That means that sometimes even the stars work in Bosx1ne's favor. The man values his family very much. Even in one of his posts, he advises people not to turn their back on family. In December 2013, the guys from his musical group uploaded a video of Mark's and Erica's wedding. He and Looney both established themselves as rappers hailing from the Philippines.